No. Alright, guys.
Are these what you're talking about?
Yeah. Alright, guys, see that? Baler? Alright. Nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna run it now, okay? There you go. Yeah.
I almost got them all done. There were a lot of things. Most of them. That big. Well, you know.
Wanna watch him press it?
Sure.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Wow. That's amazing.
It's a baby one. Not as big as some of the other ones.
Yeah, the one we had at Walmart was twice that, 3 times that size actually. Good job on that. On the wrist.
I saw that. The back was pretty full. You'll be able to see out the back window now.
Gotta do it again. Okay. One. Let me get it.
Chicken for the ass.
Let me get it between the dogs. I gotta get it caught. Sorry. Ready?
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
No. Wow. That's so cool.
It's very loud.
Oh yeah. Squeaky too.
He said it has a bigger one at Potsdam.
Yeah.
Ready for watching the special one? Do you ever recognize?
Pizza box. Oh, you gonna do it? It's gonna jam it.
Oh, ready?
It'll jam it.
Hold on.
Might want to let it down.
That good? Hold on.
That's gonna jam it.
I can clear it if it's
All
not.
right.
There it goes. Little Caesars is gone.
Bye, Little Caesar. Oh, he brings some. Yeah.
Otherwise, I can't.
Oh yeah, Todd.
That's true.
Hey Todd.
You want to be able to use it, you gotta bring your own boxes.
Can I show you when this is done? I'm gonna leave it up this time. Do you want me to leave it up this time?
I leave it down.
Let me try to get this more jams and I'm gonna clear it, okay?
Yep.
Can I shut it off for you? I want to show you what is going to happen, okay? See, okay, see, it's up, it's down.
No, that's releasing the pressure.
I can't bring it back up.
Yeah, that's all right.
You got to bring it back up. Did you think I could have this one?
Someday.
When are you getting a new one?
Well, I don't want to get a new one. They're too expensive. They're too expensive.
All right, time for me to leave it down. Oops. Well, more boxes over here. Do you want them crushed?
Nope, those are. I've got to save all those.
Do you have more out there?
No, nothing right now. Everything was baled last night.
Oh. All right, kind of for me. All right, reel in. All right, here we go. He's gone. Where is he? Oh. Hey, Todd.